Hello everyone, I continue on the lesson. So the video stopped and this is video number 2 of topic 8. So I was talking about this. If I give you a normally distributed data and I want you to find probability, for example, for the data to be between two values or less than one value or more than one value, you need to know what is the area under the curve, but you don't have that. So you want to relate all kind of data to a standard normal distribution, because for a standard normal distribution we have area under the curve in a table. Okay, so when I receive normal distributed data, I can relate to a standard one, and then from a standard one I can use my table to find the value. That's a good news. Okay, so how can I do the relation? How can I relate? So how do I transform? So I transform this way. Okay, this is the form of that. But when I use the table, so it just shows me probability from more than 0 to a something positive. So if I have, for example, if I have something negative, or if I have from negative to positive, or if I have, for example, from a positive value to another value, or from a negative value to another value, what should I do? Okay, so I'm going to show you that here. Oops, what's wrong here? Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is the larger table for more values from 0 to 3, and we don't have negative, as I told you. Okay, so here, for example, here, as I said, here, for example, what is probability of Z more than 0 and this? So for this part, you have to go to rows. Okay, and for this one you go to the column. Okay, that's why you will find, okay, see 0.69. okay, so let's okay, let me go to that. So it's here, 0.69. do I have it here? Where is the table? Oh, here. Okay, 0.69. see, for 0.6 I go here, and for 9 I go here. Okay, so I go to the last one. The last one is the answer that I need, 0.2549. see, 0.2549. okay, so I can now use that as the answer. So if I say what is probability Z from 0, but how about negative? How about from a value? For example, see, the table is just giving me this part. Okay, how about if I have something from here to here? How about if I have something from here to here? How about if I have something from here to here? Okay, what should I do? Okay, so now I can do examples for you. Okay, so let's do examples. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so see, okay, suppose that the height of 2000 students have a mean of this 176 and a standard deviation of this. Okay, so this is X. How many people? So X is height. How many people? This is N. What is X bar? What is S? This. Okay, assuming the height is normally distributed. Okay, so it is normally distributed. So say, okay, how many people are shorter than this? How many people are taller than this? How many people are from this to this? How many people are taller than this? How many people are shorter than this? Okay, I want to do all type for you. So the question is, you have to see normally distribution, means you can relate it to Z and you can use the standard normal distribution table. You have N, which is the total number, which we are going to use it at the end. I need to know what is mean. I need to know what is the standard deviation. The first one is this. So let's do it. Oops. Okay, see, shorter than this. Okay, so probability x less than 169.5 centimeter. Okay, what's that? Okay, it is equal probability x minus x bar divided by s less than 169.5 minus 176 over this over 8.1. Okay, over 8.1. See, I have to go to z. This means probability z less than, what is the value? Z less than minus 0.802. You have to round it to two digit after decimal, because the table just shows you to 2 digit. Okay, so you underline that, check that it is probability z less than this. Okay, see, you start from, see, it says shorter than this. You start from shorter than this, then you go to z. How? X minus x bar over s, and here you calculate, and then you have z less than that. Oh, perfect. Now I can go to the table to find the answer. No, you can't, because it's negative. Okay, where is that? Where is that? Oh, okay. See, this is, for example, 0.8. Where is that? Okay. This is 0.8. Okay, so let me see if why it's not working here. Okay, so just 1 second. Okay, good. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so this is 0.8 here. Okay, probability less than this. Oh, okay. I know. I just have from here to here from the table. Okay, I just have this part. I just have this part from the table. But now I want this part. Okay, what should I do? Okay, see, I know it is symmetry, so I know what is happening here is happening here. Okay, for sure. So I can say it is the same as probability z more than this, more than 0.80. I don't know what's wrong with OneNote. 0.80. Okay, it's more than that. See, I have less than 169.5. I go to z, then I find the answer. Z is less than minus 0.8, which is here. Look at this, it's here. I don't have that. Okay, so because it's symmetry, I know what is happening right is happening left. So I can go to more than. I can say these two are the same. Oh, okay, these are the same as each other. But again, I don't have that. The part that I have is here. I don't know what's wrong here, because everything is just selected and I don't want to. Okay. So let me see if I can move up and down and fix this issue. Okay, so okay, I continue. I have this one. I have this part. Okay, so I can say what I can say. See, the whole part probability is 1, right? The whole part is 1. So when I know what is happening left is happening right, means half is left, half is right. Okay? Oh, okay. So half is left, half is right. Oh, okay. So this part is half. Probability is half, and this part probability is half, because the probability of the whole is 1. Oh, okay. So probability is half minus probability z from 0 to 0.80, because it is half, which is here, minus this part. Why minus that? Because I can use the table for that part. So I reach to myself to that part. okay, which is half minus 0.2881 when I use the table for this value. I go to the table for this value. Okay, so the result is, so make sure you have the table handy just to check. So the result is 0.2119. Okay, the result is that. Then this is this out of 1. How many out of 2000? Because it's 2000 people. X is 423.8 people. I cannot say 423.8 people, okay, and I cannot round up because it's number of people. I cannot go up. When I have 423.8 means I have just 4.23, just 4, sorry, when I just have 423 not people. Okay, so 423 people students are shorter than 169.5 centimeter. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let me see if that part is fixed. Yes, it is. Okay, now I can show you. Now I can show you. See, I have this part. Okay, so I know left side equal right side. So I can say, okay, so it is the same as this part. I know this and this are the same, and I know everything is half. Everything is 1. The probability of all of them is 1. So here is half and here is half. The probability of the data to be at right side is half, left side half. Okay, so half minus this part is the answer, because it's all of them are half minus that part, minus that yellow part, and the yellow part is coming from the table. The yellow part is here, the yellow part is here, and the yellow part is here, and then I have the answer. Okay, so I try to reach to a standard normal distribution. Yes, easy for that part, but then I have to reach myself to something from 0 to positive. Then I can find the answer. Let's do the next one. The next one. How many people are taller than this? Okay, probability x more than this. Probability x minus x bar divided by s more than 186.5 minus 176 over 8.1, which is probability z more than 1.296. You underline that, check that it is probability z more than 1.30. Yes, I need 2 digits after decimal. Oh, okay, probability more than this. Where is it? It is here. It is here. I am talking about this part. Oh, okay, what can I do now? Can you answer using the previous question? I did that intentionally because then now you can answer this. See, this blue part is half minus this. Oh, okay, which is half minus probability z from 0 to this. Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer for that part? What is the answer for this? Okay, so the answer for this is, okay, half minus 0.40, no, 4032. When I go to the table, I find the answer this, which is 0.0968. Okay. Okay, so now 0.0968 over 1. How many over 1000? How many over 2000? Because it was 2000 people. Okay, so it is, x is 193.6. so 193 students are taller than 186.5 centimeter. Yeah. Okay, so I try to reach myself to that positive part, because I can use the table. Okay. Yeah, so 1 second. Yeah. Okay, so for this one I said less than, and then I went to Z, and then I find the answer, and then I find it on the area, and then I said, okay, so it is less than minus, so it's the same as more than plus, and then half minus the positive part. Okay, half minus that, and then you have the answer. For this one is more than, so I go to Z, I find the answer, then I say it is, I round it, and then I say, okay, so it is like half minus this, which is here. How about this one? Let's do this. Okay, probability, yes, probability x more than 169.5, less than 185. Maybe I zoom in and see if it is working. Oh yes. Okay, so what should I do? I go to Z first. So probability 169.5 minus 176 divided by 8.1 less than Z less than 185 minus 176 divided by 8.1 equal probability. The first one is minus 0.802 and the other one is 1.111. Now I round it, so probability this okay, so see, it is from here to here, it's from here to here, yeah, between these two values, from here to here. What should I do here from here to here? Okay, so it's not very nice, so I do this, yeah, from here to here, because this one is here, this one is here. Oh, okay, so can I say this is like this part plus this part? Yes. For the part which is 0 to 1.11, it's easy because I can use the table. But for the part which is negative, I have to do something else. Okay, so it is probability this plus this. Okay, to this. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this to this. Okay, so maybe I do this one and then I do this one. So okay, so maybe I just remove this and I show it using this. Okay, so this part is this one and this part is this one. For the blue one I can use the table. How about for the yellow one? Okay, for yellow one I know left side is like right side, so I can use just the right side. Oh, probability of this is the same as this. Both of them are the same, because instead of this part I use, for example, instead of this I just use this part, okay, and instead of this I use this part, these two, okay. Oh, okay, plus for the other one I don't need to do any change because I can use the table. Now I go to the table for both of them. For the first one it is 0.2881. For the second one it is 0.3665, and then the result is 0.6546. So it is 0.6546 over 1. How many over 100? Sorry, how many over 1000? If I say how many over 100, I am looking for percentage. If I say percentage, means you do over 100. But when you do over 2000, you are finding for the number. Okay, so it is x is 1309.2. Okay, so 1309 students are taller than 169.5 and shorter than 185 centimeter, I have to say. Yeah, okay, so yes, okay, so now I go to here and I also try to, instead of this I try to type the answer here. Okay, so let me see if I have the space here. I can add yeah, 193 students are taller than 186.5 centimeters. Okay, so yeah, so here was taller, here was shorter, yes and yes. Okay, so now I have another example D, which says taller than 169.5. So I had shorter than this, now I do taller than this. Then I do shorter than 186.5. I did taller than this, now then I do shorter than this. And also I do between two values, okay, which are more than mean, and also between two values which are less than mean, and then done. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So I stop here and I continue in the next video. So this is video number 2. Okay, So also I try my best to make this and also change the color and also make it bigger. Okay, thank you. I continue the next video.